TWG210A PA15 HP gas-powered portable 2000-watt generator with 210 amp welder with kit. The Tomahawk TGW210A generator welder is designed for high power and durability. Ideal for farms, construction sites, or any job that requires electrical power and CC constant current stick welding. Producing up to 210 amps of DC output with a 60% duty cycle, the TGW210A is suitable for welding from 6010 rods up to 7024 rods. Convenient back wheels allow for maneuverability for portable on-site welding and can also be used for emergency backup power when necessary. Featuring Tomahawk Power's incredible 15-horsepower engine with 2000 watts of DC output, the TGW210A generator welder will provide you with the power you need wherever and whenever you need it. The Tomahawk TGW210A is an excellent tool for job applications at your workshop, ranch and farm use and is backed by a 1-year engine warranty. Specifications: brand Tomahawk Power, manufacturer's part number TWG210A, color finished black, height 23 in, length 28 in, width 21 in, engine type 15 HP, Tomahawk Power, voltage 120 volts, rated amps 210, suitable for welding from 6010 rods up to 7024, start type electric, wheels yes 8, never go flat, fuel tank 7 gal. Fuel type gasoline, weight 340 pounds. Surge amps 50, engine displacement 420 cc, surge watts 120, fuel gauge yes, battery included, no automatic idle control yes, outlet QTY 1, outlet type 120 volts, muffler yes, warranty 1 year. Welder kit includes 1 TWG210A welder generator, 2 copper connection pieces, 1 quick connector and 1 small hex wrench, 2 wheels, 1 wheel shaft, 2 handles, 1 TIG26 series torch with number 2 copper cable, leads 10 feet, 1 MMA 500A holder with number 2 copper cable, leads 10 feet, 1 ground clamp 500A, 1 gloves pair, 1 tungsten needle, 1 oil funnel. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below now.